Working at the car wash. Oh,
right.
oh, 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 working at the car wash. Yeah.
That's right. Working at the car wash. What's up, Team Lethal fans? Mustang King in the house, and today I'm amped up and very excited. Why? Because this is the official release of the Cervinis 4-inch cowl hood for the 24 and up Mustang. Woo! The all-new 4-inch cowl hood from Cervinis is designed to be a replacement for your factory hood on your 24 and up Mustang, which is going to include the EcoBoost, GT, and the Dark Horse. It's also available non-painted as well as paint matched to your factory color, except for Blue Ember. Cervinis hoods are made in the good old United States of America in New Jersey by some great people. Thank you so much, Jim and the Cervinis team, for sending out the first 4-inch cowl hood for the 24 Mustang out there. I've ran Cervinis hoods on several different Mustangs and F-150s that I've owned over the years, and all of them had excellent fit and an amazing finish. These guys do a phenomenal job on their paint match. So honestly, if you're looking for a one-time done deal to get a painted hood to match your factory color, Cervinis is where it's at. The Cervinis 4-inch cowl hood for the 24 and up Mustang is now exclusively available right here, right now at lethalperformance.com, starting out at $944.99 for unpainted hoods. Well, listen, enough talking. Let's get to work, put the hood on the car, and see how it looks. Introducing the all-new 4-inch cowl hood from Cervinis for the 24 and up Mustang. Bah! Boom! And there it is, the all-new Cervinis 4-inch cowl hood for the 24 and up Mustang, and it looks phenomenal. The install went very smooth. Cervinis actually includes all the hardware that you need once you remove your factory hood to install their hood on your car, as well as those little studs that allow you to hook up your hood struts. So all in all, great fit. The finish on it, look at that. This is the grabber blue metallic color on it, and the color match is perfect, guys. So make sure to head on over to lethalperformance.com today and pick up your Cervinis hood or any other Cervinis products that we offer. And remember, right now with our Team Lethal F-150 giveaway, since Cervinis is a part of the build, double entries on all Cervinis products. You have an opportunity to win an F-150 with a Whipple supercharger and $15,000 in cash, guys. I'm the Mustang King, and I'm out of here. Woo! Here I go. Here I go. Here I go again. Here I go again. Microphone check. Check, check. You get, what's so funny? Oh, nice. Man, cut!